Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find a Bluetooth accessory on the Motorola G23. So when I can't find my headphones on this phone, I'm always starting from the simplest way, just restart your Bluetooth connection. You can do it by two ways, by just opening the top menu and switch it off and switch it on again, but you can also hold it for a second, go to the connection preferences and tap on the Bluetooth. Then just switch it off and switch it on again, then look for your device. At the start you have to be sure that the Bluetooth accessory is visible for your phone, and most devices have something like Appear mode, and how to enable Appear mode you will find in the manual instructions to your Bluetooth device. So if you're sure that the Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices and you still don't have on this list this device, you can go back and just simply restart your phone. This is a little bit obvious, but sometimes it works. Just try to restart the Android system in your Motorola, and you can also try to restart your Bluetooth device. Then, after that, if the Bluetooth accessory is still not visible for your phone, go to the settings, slide down, and look for the system. Then go to the reset options and tap on the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Now just tap on the rest of the settings and configure it by this button. And now your network settings is resetted, then look for your device again. The next recommendation from me, just try to update your system. If you have any updates available, just download it and install. You can check the updates in the, I think, above phone. And go to the... Sorry, I'm not sure where is it. Maybe the... No, just type the update in the search bar, sorry. You can see that you have Android security update, so tap on it and check that you have any updates. If you have, just install it and look for your device again. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other device like a laptop or other phone to check which gadget is visible for other devices and which gadget making a problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.